Living with a miniature Schnauzer is like having a clever, energetic roommate who never runs out of opinions. They're smart, independent, and very good at testing boundaries. That makes them fun, but also a challenge if you're not ready. The good news? Once they understand the rules, Schnauzers become incredibly loyal, eager to please, and even kind of proud to get it right. But here's the key. You've got to train with both structure and patience. What works for mellow breeds won't cut it here. So whether you've just brought home a Schnauzer puppy, or you're trying to fix a few sneaky habits they've picked up, we've got you covered, right here at Doggy Pedia, with real training do's and don'ts that actually work. Let's get into it. 1. Do start early. Don't wait until the barking starts. Schnauzers love to bark. It's in their DNA. They were bred to alert and protect, which makes them great watchdogs, but also kind of noisy roommates if you don't set boundaries early. The longer you wait to train your Schnauzer, the more likely they are to make barking their default response to everything. So don't wait for it to become a habit. Work on quiet cues, redirection, and calm responses right from the start. They're smart enough to learn the difference between alert and annoying, but only if you teach them. Otherwise, you'll be explaining to your neighbors why your dog shouts at the wind. 2. Do be confident. Don't let them run the show. Miniature Schnauzers are assertive little dogs. If you're unsure or inconsistent, they'll pick up on it fast and start calling the shots themselves. This doesn't mean you need to be harsh, just clear, calm, and consistent. Set expectations and stick to them. Don't give in because they give you the look or pull their signature drama moves. When you act like a leader, they respond with respect. But if you let them run the show, they absolutely will. And trust me, they're really good at running it. 3. Do use mental challenges. Don't rely on walks alone. Schnauzers have big brains. They love to learn, problem solve, and explore new things. So if you're just walking them around the block and calling it a day, you're going to have a bored, frustrated dog on your hands. Add training games, puzzle toys, or scent work to their daily routine. Give them jobs like finding hidden treats or learning new commands. It doesn't have to be complicated, just engaging. Mental stimulation burns energy, builds confidence, and cuts down on unwanted behavior. A tired Schnauzer is a good Schnauzer, and that includes both body and brain. 4. Do create a routine. Don't keep things too random. Schnauzers thrive on structure. If they know what's coming, they're less likely to act out. But if life feels chaotic, feeding times change, rules shift, expectations aren't clear, they start filling in the blanks themselves. That's when you get the barking, the pacing, the testing behavior. A consistent routine with clear cues, wake-up time, meals, walks, play, downtime, helps them stay grounded. They're smart dogs, they catch on fast. And when they know the rhythm of the day, they're calmer, more confident, and way easier to train. Predictability isn't boring to a Schnauzer, it's comforting. 5. Do make training part of daily life, don't treat it like homework. You don't need to set aside a full hour a day to train your Schnauzer. In fact, the best training happens during normal life, on walks, during playtime, even while making coffee. Ask for a sit before going out the door. Practice recall in the backyard. Reward them for waiting patiently while you put on shoes. These little moments add up and reinforce that you're in charge. Schnauzers love structure. They feel more confident when they know what's expected. So turn everyday routines into casual training opportunities and you'll see results way faster than waiting for a formal session. 6. Do use food strategically. Don't bribe without thinking. Schnauzers are food motivated, but that doesn't mean you should hand out treats every time they look cute. If you're not intentional, you can accidentally reward the wrong behaviors. Use food as a tool, something they earn, not something they expect. Ask for focus, obedience, or calm behavior before giving a treat. Make it part of training, not a random snack. And always fade the treats over time. Praise and affection should eventually take over as the main reward. That way, they listen to you because they want to, not just because they smell chicken. 7. Do socialize early, don't assume they'll just be friendly. Start with calm, neutral introductions. Reward good behavior when they stay relaxed around new people or pets. Let them explore at their pace, but don't avoid it entirely. The more new things they experience early on, the more confident and well-rounded they'll become. Skip early socialization though, and you might end up with a dog that barks at every visitor and sees every stranger as a threat. Early, positive exposure makes life easier for both of you, and it's one of the best investments you can make in their behavior long-term. 8. Do teach them to settle, don't let them stay in alert mode all day. Schnauzers are high alert by nature. Every sound, every movement, every gust of wind, they're ready to react. That's great for a watchdog, not so great when they can't turn it off. Teaching them to settle or place helps flip that switch. Use a mat, dog bed, or a quiet spot and reward them for staying there calmly. Practice in short sessions, especially after play or walks. This isn't about forcing quiet, it's about giving them a cue to relax. Over time, they'll learn how to come down from that high energy state on their own, which makes your home and your brain a lot more peaceful. 9. Do teach impulse control. Don't let excitement rule the day. Miniature Schnauzers go from 0 to 100 fast, whether it's the doorbell, their leash, or you reaching for the treat jar. But letting them act on every impulse turns daily life into chaos. Start with simple exercises. Wait before eating, pause before going outside. Sit calmly before play. Reward calmness, not craziness. Impulse control is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. And once your Schnauzer learns that staying chill equals getting what they want, you'll see that wild energy turn into focus. 10. Do watch for overprotectiveness. Don't reward guardy behavior. Mini Schnauzers are natural protectors. But if you're not careful, that instinct can turn into overprotectiveness, barking at guests, lunging on walks, or growling when someone gets too close to you. It's tempting to comfort them or say, "It's okay," but that actually reinforces the fear or tension. Instead, stay calm, block their view if needed, and redirect with a command they know. Reward calm behavior only. If they see you're not worried, they'll learn to relax too. Your energy is everything with this breed, and if you stay in control, they'll follow your lead. 11th. Do reinforce the quiet moments. Don't just react to the loud ones. Most Schnauzers get attention for being loud, barking, whining, demanding, but here's the thing. If you only respond when they're noisy, you accidentally teach them that being loud, getting your attention. Start catching the quiet moments. When they're sitting calmly by your side or watching something without barking, praise them. Toss them a treat when they don't react to a doorbell or a passerby. It might feel subtle, but over time, you're training them to choose calm over chaos. And that's a powerful shift in behavior, especially for a breed with big opinions. 12th, do work on handling. Don't wait for the vet to practice touch. If you've ever tried trimming a Schnauzer's nails or cleaning their beard, you know they don't exactly love being handled. And if they've never practiced it, good luck when it's actually important. Build handling into your daily routine. Touch their paws, lift their ears, gently open their mouth. Reward calmness, even for a second. These tiny habits teach them that being touched isn't scary. It makes vet visits, grooming, and even playtime way easier. Plus, it builds trust between you and your dog. You're not just their trainer, you're someone they feel safe with. 13th, do let them be independent. Don't smother them 24/7. It's easy to dote on a Schnauzer, they're cute, loyal, and always down to hang out. But too much attention can create a clingy, anxious dog who doesn't know how to function without you. Give them space to chill on their own. Encourage solo play. Let them nap in a separate room. It helps build confidence and reduces the risk of separation issues down the line. Balance is everything. You want a Schnauzer who chooses to be with you, not one who panics the second you leave the room. Independence is part of a healthy, happy bond. 14. Do stay playful, don't be all rules, no fun. Schnauzers love structure, yes, but they're also total goofballs at heart. If training turns into a never-ending list of no's, they'll lose interest and probably invent their own games instead. Mix obedience into play. Throw in short recall drills during fetch. Ask for a sit before tug of war. End sessions with playtime instead of just treats. When training feels like a game, Schnauzers show up with energy and enthusiasm. You'll get better results, and you'll both have way more fun doing it. 15. Do stick with it. Don't expect overnight results. Schnauzers are smart, but also independent. They might test you, push boundaries, or pretend they don't hear you. Even when they totally do. Progress might come in bursts. One day, they're perfect. The next day, chaos. Don't let that throw you off. Stay consistent, keep expectations clear, and trust the process. Training a miniature Schnauzer takes time, repetition, and a bit of humor. But when it clicks, it really clicks. Stick with it and you'll have a well-trained, confident dog who actually enjoys listening to you. Miniature Schnauzers are full of personality, smart, energetic, and just independent enough to keep you on your toes. But that's what makes them so much fun to live with. They don't need a heavy hand, they need structure, clarity, and a bit of creativity in how you train. These dogs love to learn, they just want to do it on their terms. So whether you're raising a new puppy or working on an older dog's habits, stay patient, stay clear, and stay consistent. You're not just training a dog, you're building a relationship with one of the most loyal, spirited companions out there. Which one of these tips hit hardest for you? Drop it in the comments and let us know your favorite or funniest mini Schnauzer moment. We love hearing your stories. Got another topic you want us to cover? Barking, recall, first-time grooming? Tell us what you'd like to see next. And hey, if this helped, go ahead and hit subscribe. This is Doggy Pedia. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.